Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Industry dynamics aside, tariff talk from President Trump will keep energy stocks and oil and gas companies like BRY Corporation, traded on NASDAQ under symbol BRY, in the headlines for weeks, if not months to come. On February 10, oil prices got a boost after President Trump announced that tariffs on all steel and aluminum imports into the U.S. News of the tariff sent Brent crude up more than $75 per barrel, with the Texas Intermediate moving to $71.52 per barrel. The steel industry is one of the most energy-intensive industries, using fossil fuels like crude oil to make steel. Oil prices could get a boost in early March should President Trump go ahead with 10% tariff on Canadian oil. Fear of a global trade war impacts investors' risk appetite and is spilling over into oil and gas. And as long as tariff talks are in the news, it will put oil and gas in the headlines. All of this, of course, is good news for American oil and gas exploration and production companies like BRY Corporation. John, what can you tell us about this company?
Thanks, Mo. Yeah, BRY Corporation is an independent upstream energy company with a focus on onshore, low geographic risk, low decline, long-lived oil and gas reserves. Now, the Dallas, Texas-based company operates in two business segments, exploration and production, and well servicing and abandonment. Its E&P assets are located in California and Utah and are characterized by high oil content and are predominantly located in rural areas with low population. Now, its California assets are in the San Joaquin basin. It's made up of 100% oil, while its Utah assets are made up of 60% oil and 40% gas. Now, in the third quarter of 2024, which is the most recent data we had, it had an average production of 24,800 barrels of oil equivalent per day. Now, of that production, oil accounted for 22,800 barrels per day.
It had a solid third quarter 2024 where it swung to profitability.
Yeah, despite volatility within the oil and gas industry, BRY Corporation was able to report another good operational quarter. This included a 121% increase in total revenue to $259.7 million. Third quarter net income was $70 million or 91 cents per share, and that's a big improvement over the third quarter 2023 net loss of $45 million or a loss of 60 cents per share. Now, adjusted net income was $11 million or 14 cents per share. Now, cash flow from operations rallied an impressive 29% to $71 million, while free cash flow improved 17% on an annual basis and 55% on a quarterly basis to $45 million. Now, on the financial front, the company entered into a new $545 million term loan facility that will allow it to successfully complete transformative debt refinancing.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, I see that it declared a third quarter dividend of just 3 cents per share.
Well, thanks to a strong free cash flow, BRY Corporation is able to provide investors at least with a reliable dividend. It pays quarterly fixed dividend and sometimes adds on a variable dividend. For example, in the second quarter, it paid a dividend of 17 cents per share. At the time, this included a fixed share price of 12 cents per share and a variable dividend of 5 cents per share. Now, in the third quarter, it declared a fixed dividend of 3 cents per share, or 58 cents per share on an annual basis, for a forward yield of 13.75%. Now, while dividend hogs may not like the fact that a variable dividend means payouts fluctuate, it's important to note that BRY has paid a dividend for the last 7 consecutive years. This means it didn't suspend its dividend during the 2020 health crisis, though at 58 cents per share. The annual dividend is a lot smaller than in previous years. That could, though, change significantly in 2025.
BRY stock has a triple-digit upside potential.
BRY Corporation stock struggled in the back half of 2024, but has shown signs of life in the opening weeks of 2025. As of this recording, BRY stock is trading at $4.46 per share and is down 25% on an annual basis, but is up 8% year to date. Could be just the beginning, with conservative Wall Street analysts providing a 12-month share price target range of $6.40 to $9 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just to recap, BRY Corporation is an oil and gas exploration and production company with properties in Texas and Utah. It delivered another solid quarter with total revenue more than doubling. It swung to profitability, and cash flow from operation and free cash flow both registered double-digit gains. Wall Street remains bullish on BRY Corporation as well, with analysts expecting the company's earnings to rise from 51 cents per share in 2023 to 57 cents per share in 2024 before slipping a little to 56 cents per share in 2025. Investment companies are also confident in the direction BRY Corporation is going, with 250 institutional holders holding 87.98% of all outstanding shares. Some of the biggest holders of this company include BlackRock, Vanguard, and Dimensional Fund Advisor. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.